Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about BMO Harris Bank, more specifically how you can order checks for BMO Harris. So first, just a little bit of background on what checks are. A check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check, and then once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and then deposited into theirs. So now that we have a little bit of background on what a check is, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your BMO Harris bank account and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you usually use will be perfectly fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the website for BMO Harris, and you can see at the top the link is simply bmo.com. You can also check out the description for the link to BMO Harris Bank. First way to order checks is going to be to log in to your bank account online. So on the main screen, look for the login button, which is located at the top right corner of the screen, and click on that. That's going to bring up this menu where you can click on online banking. So you'll go ahead and click on that, and that will take you to the next page where you'll be able to log in. So it's asking for your card number and your password, so you just enter those. Now if you don't have a password, there's a link right down at the bottom that says register now if you're new to mobile banking. So you can go ahead and click on that link and then just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the registration process. Once you're in, you're going to click on banking options and then order checks online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is going to be through calling the customer service number for BMO Harris Bank. You can usually find this phone number on the back of your BMO Harris debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest way to find it. You can also look at the BMO Harris website and look for a Contact Us page, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to also let you know that there's sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order your checks over the phone, but that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you and give you those numbers when you speak with them. The third and final way to order checks is going to be to go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for BMO Harris Bank. I've already got this tab up, and I've typed in the search bar order replacement checks for BMO Harris, and that's going to bring up several different websites that you can order checks from. Walmart checks, Bradford Exchange checks, Checks Unlimited, all very popular third-party vendors that you can order checks from. Do be aware though that prices vary and security features will also vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact BMO Harris bank account and routing number for these checks. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I really hope that you found this useful, and please check out the description for more information on BMO Harris Bank.